Trading bots, ladies and gentlemen. At first, I thought it was an absolute gimmick. Honestly, I thought it was too good to be true, and I didn't think that we would see a passive income or ways to be earning passively whilst walking your dog, whilst cooking dinner, sleeping. It doesn't matter. Even if you have a full-time job, you can be using Pionex trading bots and earning potential profits. Now, here's why you should stick around for the next 10 minutes. I'm going to explain the Pionex platform. Yes, not just the exchange, the platform as well, and diving into the kind of bots that they have on their platform. So before we go on, guys, I must say I'm not a financial advisor, but go and do your own research. And of course, if you are from countries like Australia, the USA, UAE, United Kingdom, it doesn't matter. Don't engage with my links. Don't watch my content. You can go to the escape right now. Now, if you have any confusion about whether or not I am constituting financial advisor, go and see a financial advisor or a lawyer. Now, guys, this is my personal journey. I'm just a guy exploring Web3 and crypto himself. Today, I want to talk about Pionex, not just as an exchange, but as a superpower when it comes to the leading trading bot platform in the world as we speak. What does it take to become the leading platform in the world? Well, their bots are built specifically around automating trading. Yes, whether it's automating trading with certain types of grid bots, DCA bots, Martingale bots, futures bots. I know this sounds confusing, but I'm going to try and flesh them out for you whilst we're in this video. Now, they are free to use, but you must be aware that you are going to be paying trading fees, and there are lots of risks when it comes to trading. Now, these bots run 24/7. You give them all the parameters that you want to give them. You set the conditions of stop losses, the amount of grids. If it was a grid bot, I'm going to go through all of these as well. They don't predict the markets. They're just giving a strategy and overall framework for it to continuously trade under your conditions that you set within these bots on the Pionex platform. Each bot is built for a different market condition or goal. This is the most important thing about Pionex bots. Knowing which bot actually fits the given situation, that is the whole game winner, in which we're going to explore. Remember, this is only a general tutorial. There will be in-depth tutorials as to what settings I am setting on grid bots, DCA bots, and future Martingale bots, which brings us on to the next section, bots. The key ones. Let's take a look. Now, on the platform, you can see that we have Pionex Futures Grid Bot. Yes, this is the leading grid bot for the platform itself. Most people are using the grid bots, and with only 10 USDT, you can get started. So what is a grid bot? You set a price range, a top, as you can see here, and imagine there's a top and a bottom for Ethereum, Bitcoin, or whatever you're looking to trade. And the bot divides it into levels. Well, these are grids. You can see these grids in red and green, and you set as many grids as you want. This is how many times it's going to either take profit or buy into another order. There are in fact two versions of the grid bot. One is spot, where you own it, and future, where leverage is involved. Now, if you are new, stick with spot because it is very risky and you'll probably end up sleeping a lot better. But let's talk about the leverage grid bot as well. This is the same concept as you see in front of you right now, as a grid bot built with leverage. This means bigger potential gains, but of course bigger potential losses and a lot more risks encompassed when using leverage, guys. For those who already understand leverage, well, you understand what liquidation risk is and how to proceed accordingly, and it can happen fast. I will deep dive into this on another video, so make sure you stay tuned onto the channel, subscribe. There is also the Infinity bot. It works very similar, but there is no upper price ceiling, whereby a regular bot, as you can see here, if it had a regular ceiling here, so you'd have a top price and a bottom price where the bot's going to operate, it will not sell out when it hits the top range. This is called the Infinity bot, and it keeps riding upward. It sells a little at each of these levels that you can see that you set manually as well, which is the best thing about it. Again, this bot depends on market conditions. It's best for assets that you believe will trend higher long term because it's got no ceiling. It works for ascending or descending trending markets. So you can set it both ways, guys. Make sure you are checking that out as well. Now, there is the dollar cost average bot. This is where basically funds are invested at a fixed amount at regular intervals regardless of the price, and it buys more when cheap, less when expensive. Now, I want to bring you over to some AI because this gives an absolute beautiful illustration on how I want to show you what a DCA bot is. Pionex has DCA bots, and DCA bots are absolutely amazing when it comes to trending markets. If you know the trend of the market, if it's a descending trend overall, say on the 4 hourly, there's definitive trend to the upside or to the downside, descending in that case, then you can start looking at implementing dollar cost average bots. Now, here we can see that the investment per buy, remember we're doing set intervals with the dollar cost average bot, is going to be $50. The green dots equals each automated buy, which will be placed at regular intervals regardless of price. Now you can set this up on the Pionex exchange. I showed you this here, and I will show you towards the end of the video generally how to go and set that up, but this video in itself is not really meant for me to show you how to set a bot up and all that kind of stuff. That's the come, so that's why you're going to stay tuned. And this is what a DCA bot generally is going to look like. You're going to see the price coming down, and as it accumulates in set intervals at $50, the overall accumulation price, depending on the ascending or descending market, will depend on the outcome. Here, we have an overall ascending market, and you can see at an average of, say, $50 per interval, the average buy price was $58,000, which means there was a current profit and loss of $378. Now, this was just at $50. This is just an example, guys. Don't go hammering comments or anything like that. But a DCA bot is very, very useful, and some DCA bots you can actually apply leverage as well. Once again, the same risks do apply when it comes to applying leverage with the DCA. Now, I must say the DCA bot, the question is, if you identify an asset that is ascending or descending long-term, right? And it's going to keep collecting that long-term, we're talking long-term. If I was to ask you a question, do you think a meme coin is going to appreciate long-term? That's very questionable. And I think that I personally would answer that saying that likely not. But, when you're looking at the DCA bot, what I specifically do is I'm looking at assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe even Solana, but mostly Bitcoin, because I know that I believe in Bitcoin, and I know that overall in a space of, say, 4 years, it is more likely than not going to appreciate, and therefore the dollar cost average method you see here, once again, I will play it again, works better for me than it would any other asset like, say, I couldn't say BNB, even though BNB is quite nice. So you really want to be able to find that asset that is going to be likely appreciating or sticking to your overall trend long term, and it's not going to be here for a second and gone the next. Now, before we go on to the next bot, if you hit spot and trading bot, you can see on the right hand side we've got the grid, we've got the DCA Martingale, we've got the rebalancing, the TWAP bot, the spot futures, margin bot, reverse grid bot, infinity grid, smart trade, trailing. So honestly, Pionex gives you the complete suite of tools when it comes to trading. Honestly, you can set your stop loss, trailing stop, seconds for it to, if it's a wiki asset, you can do absolutely everything. Now, should you pay attention to your bots, knowing when to turn them on, turn them off, as I do, it seems, in my perspective and use case, very, very advantageous. Now, talking about the DCA bot, let's talk a little bit about the Martingale DCA bot here. What it does is it does it a little bit different. It takes advantage of a grid structure, but arbitrages between different things. I'll give you an example. For instance, it will enter into levels or positions both on spot and with leverage. It's good for uptrending markets. So this is something to watch out for. This is something that I switch on when we have a definitive uptrend in the market for, say, the Bitcoin price. Before we continue, Pionex does have a 1,000 USDT bonus if you do register and deposit to claim this. There is 3 days and 17 hours left. Registration bonus is right here. Now, the details are here. If you net deposit USDT $100, you get a future grid bonus of another 100 USDT. But what if you were to do more? Well, 10,000, 1,000 USDT. It's not too bad. And the event rules are here. The link will be in the description of this video, so make sure you do check that out if you are interested in these bots. Again, guys, this is not the video I want to be going in and deep diving into how to set up a specific bot. If you are to copy anyone, guys, just really do your own research. I can't tell you who to copy and how, but really just be careful. Some of the biggest mistakes, pros and cons that I find with the Pionex bots, before even going into showing you how to use them, is of course the most common, not identifying the market trend overall. Trend is your friend. If you're trading against a trend, at any point with any kind of software, even by yourself, it does not matter. It's useless. you've failed, right? So if you're going to go and enter a DCA Martingale to the upside and the overall trends to the downside, you're in a loss. Ranging and choppy markets are also very important for grid bot, spot, or even futures. And of course, an uptrend can even be used. And there are other bots that will arbitrage between these levels as well. So they're actually going to be buying spot and arbitraging, well, entering short positions with leverage as well. Again, leverage has its risks of liquidation. If you don't understand margins, stay on spot. Fees do add up with bots. So again, the more grids you have, you can have 150 or 170 grids per, depending on your price range. If you smash them, that means a lot of trades are going to be happening, a lot of profitable trades, small amounts. But guys, you're paying trading fees. So most likely you may see that a lot of grids are going to wipe out your profits because you're paying trading fees. That doesn't mean that you pay the lowest fees almost in the market on Pionex when it comes to bots. So too many orders, the fees can wrap up. Be careful of that. Be realistic with your grid numbers, guys. Don't be too stingy with that. And if you're good enough, I'll show you in my next video, you can actually set grids up to levels of support and resistance. But again, Pionex automates everything. Genuinely, in my opinion, it really is accessible to anyone, whether you're a beginner or advanced in cryptocurrency. It has made it very, very easy. In my case, of course, don't go and run 6 bots. You know, I can't tell you this, but I wouldn't, if I was starting out in bots, run 6 bots. I would test one first with a little bit of capital and of course, see how it goes. Guys, that is it pretty much for today's video. That is a small, nice, concise introduction to the type of bots that are offered on Pionex, how I once thought it was an absolute gimmick, and how I am yet to be very, very surprised. I'm going to do a sequence of videos on the Pionex exchange, specifically looking at their bots. I'm going to set up an overall one. I'm going to let it run for a while, and I'm going to show you how I am flickering on and off in regards to the market conditions and stipulating on long-term trend and taking advantage of those conditions, and of course taking advantage of what Pionex has in terms of the variables that you can take control of when trading bots on Pionex, guys. Make sure you hit a like, subscribe, tick that notification, comment. What specifically do you want to see on the Pionex exchange when it comes to bots? Because it is endless. See you in the next one.